You know, at Bilt Rite Garage Doors, we have professionally trained technicians that are specialized in helping you identify issues with your garage door when it's not working. But there are several things you can check out on your own and do it yourself, save you a lot of time, save you money. So we just want to share a few things with you. For example, if you come out and you mash your opener button and your garage door will not come down, oftentimes that's just a sensor issue. Beside your garage door, you'll see two little sensors. What confuses people oftentimes is they believe both of those sensors should be green. Actually, that's not true. One should be lit up green, one should be lit up amber. If those aren't lit up, then they're probably not shining on each other. So it just takes a small adjustment to get them lined up and you should be on your way. Another thing that often happens is we get a little power surge, and most garages have a GFI button somewhere in your garage. You just simply press the button. It restores power to your garage door opener and you'll be on your way. One of the other issues might be simply that the plug has come unplugged from the ceiling. Your garage door does vibrate over time and sometimes the plug will work itself out and you just don't notice it. So just look up to your ceiling, make sure it's plugged in, make sure that the light is lit on your opener and you should be good to go. One of the other things you may just simply want to check is your fuse box. Sometimes there's a power surge that trips a breaker, reset that breaker, and your garage door will be good to go. These are just simple things that we ask you to check before you call us because we don't want to charge you money to come out to your house for something simple like that. Oftentimes people will call us in the morning, they're trying to open their door will only raise about 2 or 4 inches and it goes back down and they believe their motor's broke. But in reality, oftentimes it's the spring. How you check this, most times you just look above your garage door, you'll see a long spring there, and if it's in 2 pieces, chances are that spring's broken and your garage door won't function. So in that case, you will have to give us a call. We'll come out, usually get to you the same day, get that spring replaced and get you on your way.